Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to fix the another update is currently in progress error in WordPress. So I tried to update my website and it's showing this error. So to fix it, there's a plugin that we are going to use. So click on plugins and click on add new and search for another update in progress. And click install now. And click activate. Then go down to settings and click fix another update in progress. And it's showing this. So to get rid of the locked icon, click this button. And then let's try and update WordPress. Okay, so it's not working and I'm going to try it again. It's locked. So there's another solution to this problem. Go to wordpress.org and download the files and click get WordPress. Okay, it's downloaded now, so we're going to move this file, copy, and we'll go to the site files. And this is where my site files are stored. So we're going to copy, I'm going to paste it here, and I will extract the files here. Okay, it has extracted. So select all the files except WordPress content. And paste it, copy that, and paste it here in your site files. Don't forget you didn't copy WordPress content, so paste it here. So we're going to replace the files. So replace the files in the destination. So reload your site. and view the dashboard. And your site has been updated. So let's check if our plugins are intact. And our theme, everything is intact. Remember, we didn't change anything in the WordPress content folder, WP content folder. So this is how I'm able to update my site, because the other option didn't work for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe so that you can see more videos like this one. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.